Well, the kids are headed back to school, so they will be away from the house more than they were during the summertime. And for lots of dogs who suffer from separation anxiety, it's a behavioral disorder. This is the worst time for them. But no worries, our friends from Unleash magazine back to tell us about managing that. We have from Unleash Avery Thrasher and the Dean of the College of Veterinary Medicine at Tuskegee University, Dr. Ruby Perry. Thank you both for being here with us.
You're welcome. It's cool being
here. And
here.
who's this?
This is Daphne.
Daphne,
yeah.
So cute. And little dogs like that have been playing with their family all summer long.
Right.
Things are about to change for them.
Certainly, certainly. Well, separation anxiety is a condition where dogs become distressed when they're separated from their owners or their canine companions. And the signs that kind of characterize the condition are excessive barking, whining, destructive behavior, even attempting to leave the home.
Oh goodness,
Yeah.
you come home and it's a mess in there that you're not accustomed to. So what can we do about that?
Well, first of all, owners need to be aware that separation anxiety is just because of fear. You know, the pet is fearful for the owner leaving the home and being left alone. So we're going to talk about some other things that we can do. We want to make sure that the owners are aware that there are no underlying problems as for bad behavior, and owners should not see it as bad behavior. It's just anxiety.
Yeah, they're expressing their feelings.
That is correct.
Yeah.
That is correct.
Okay, so what can you do about it?
Well, you can provide your dog with a chew toy, maybe a food puzzle, and you want to give this to them when you're leaving the home. That way, your dog's attention is not focused on you actually leaving, but on the toy.
Yeah,
and actually, the action of chewing and licking provides a calming effect for dogs.
Okay, and what about encouraging a little bit more independence?
Well, your dog will look to you for security and confidence and to be a member of his pack. But you shouldn't look to you and depend on you for confidence and security. You want an independent dog. You don't want your dog always shadowing you. Maybe it's a good idea when you're at home, you're watching TV, your dog may be on the other side of the room. Or maybe where you're sleeping in your bed at night. Maybe your dog doesn't need to be in the bed with you. Maybe you can sleep in his own dog bed.
Now I'm getting separation anxiety.
Well, you want to encourage an independent dog.
Yeah. Oh, how does exercise affect this?
Well, what they could do is during the day when they're not going on vacation, they can go take them outside, and the idea is to get them actively engaged but sometimes when their owners are going on vacation, before they go on vacation, they can also just separate from them a little bit at a time until they adjust. And then make sure when you're giving toys that they're giving them something that's safe so that they won't eat it and cause some GI obstruction. That's right, a choking, things like that.
And another thing you mentioned, as you're getting ready to leave, you don't want to make a huge deal out of that.
Yeah, you don't make a big deal. You don't make a big fuss out of you going. You want to leave the house calmly. And upon entering the house, if your dog's overly excited or overly anxious to see you, you want to wait till they calm down. The energy level is neutral, and then you can acknowledge them and greet them.
It's hard not to react to them one way or the other, overstimulate them during when you're leaving and when you're coming back. Bye. Everybody wants to do that. They're adorable. I mean, look at Daphne. She's adorable. All right, if they want to know more about this and they want to know more about Unleash, how can they get in touch with you?
They can check us out at unleashmagazine.com for more tips.
All right, thank you so much, and
You're
it's so
welcome.
nice to meet you. Come back and talk to us, okay?
Thank you.
Daphne, you're adorable. You come back too anytime you want.